Hi Jeff, my name's Brian Broach. I'm the VMware account manager for Overstock.com. I was just down the hall meeting with Bob, talking about how fast business is changing these days. Did you know that if you looked at the Fortune 500 companies in the year 2000, which was only 14 years ago, compare that to today, more than half of those companies are actually no longer even on the list. I think this is a really strong indicator that the pace of business is really accelerating, and I think we're going to expect to see that even accelerate even more over the next couple of years. And this is really requiring you, or the businesses, to approach technology differently. VMware is very uniquely positioned to provide a new model that is instant, fluid, and secure. If you look at the world's leading data centers today, for example, like Facebook or Google or almost any service provider for that matter, they're following a software-based approach to IT or technology. And it really doesn't matter for them, what type of hardware they use, whether they're using HP, Dell, or they're using a white box solution from Supermicro. VMware is enabling this same approach for customers like yourself, where we are enabling you to achieve the same efficiencies and cost savings without having to hire over 1,000 developers like Google and Facebook. We do this by abstracting away not only the compute, but also storage and network, then pooling these resources and giving you the ability to automate, operate, and control costs, whether that's on-premise in your own data center or in a public cloud like our cloud, vCloud Air. We call this strategy or this approach one cloud for any application. Then ultimately it comes down to how your users and your customers interact with these applications. We want them to have the best experience possible, but also be as productive and secure as possible. VMware has a very unique position and unique strategy in this area of the industry as well, from the data center or cloud to any end device, whether that's a desktop, laptop, iPhone, Android, or even your Tesla. I think VMware, we've done really well for Overstock over the last several years, and we've saved you guys a bunch of money on some server virtualization. I think would you have any hesitations of exploring some of these newer technologies with us and see if we can bring you the same level of savings and agility as we have on the server side? No? Great. Well, are you available next Wednesday? Love to come by and talk to you in more detail about this strategy. Thanks.